Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this FreeCAD guide for 2026, I'll show you how to use FreeCAD for three-dimensional printing. Whether you're designing prototypes, replacement parts, hobby projects, or custom products, FreeCAD provides the tools you need to create printable models from start to finish. So let's get started. First, launch FreeCAD and create a new project. Before designing your model, it's a good idea to think about the dimensions, purpose, and printing requirements of the object you want to create. Next, switch to the Part Design workbench and create a new body. This will serve as the foundation for your three-dimensional model. Before starting the print, preview the layers in the slicer to ensure everything looks correct. This extra step can help identify issues before wasting time and material. Once the model is successfully sliced, send the file to your printer and begin the printing process. And that's how to use FreeCAD for three-dimensional printing. By designing accurate models, checking for printability, and exporting clean STL files, you can turn your digital designs into physical objects with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.